Welcome everyone. Welcome to vsaera.com. Today we will start a new topic. Very important topic. Most traders, especially new traders, uh, who are starting their career in forex, are confused about best currency pair to trade. Which pair is best to trade? Which time it is best to trade? So we will cover this topic today. Basically, there are three types of currency pairs. One is majors, one is crosses, one is exotics. Major currency pairs are major countries that are paired with US dollar, like a euro, which is paired with US dollar, is euro USD. Uh, Short name is fiber. British pound with US dollar is cable. Short name is cable, and it is we can also say pound or pound USD, GBP USD. Third one is AUD USD. We can also call it shortly USI, and Australian dollar versus with USD, AUD USD. Next one is New Zealand dollar with USD. Short name is UP. US dollar with Japanese yen. It is also known shortly, we can call it yen. Swissy is Swiss francs with US dollar. Loonie is Canadian dollar with United States dollar, US dollar. XAU USD, most this pair is used by brokers with same name XAU USD. It is for gold, and XAG USD, it is for silver. These are actually major currency pairs. Next, our type of currency pair is crosses. The crosses are those pairs that are not paired with US dollars. Other than US dollars, all other currencies, economies pair with each other. It is known as crosses. Like Australian dollar pair with Canadian dollar, Australian dollar pair with Swiss francs, Australian dollar pair with Japanese yen, Australian dollar pair with New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar pair with Japanese yen, Swiss francs pair with Japanese yen. All we can say it is cross currency pairs, not major currency pairs. There are many other cross-currency pairs. Some brokers are providing about more than 40 crosses pairs, cross-currency pairs. A Euro Australian dollar, a Euro CAD, a Euro Swiss francs, a Euro JBP, a Euro Japanese yen, a Euro New Zealand dollar, Pound Australian dollar, Pound with CHF, Pound with Japanese yen, and all New Zealand dollar with Japanese yen. Exotic currency pairs are those pairs that consist of developing and emerging economies rather than developed and already industrialized economy like a major, like uh, Australian dollar, not US dollar with Turkish lira, euro with Turkish lira, means this TRY is Turkish lira, South African rand, MXN is Mexican peso, BRL is Brazilian real. You can say all the pairs which are not paired with developed and industrial economies. These are we can say exotic currency pairs. So let's talk about which currency pair we have to trade, and which time we have to trade which currency pairs. Actually, there are four sessions. You can check at Forex Factory as per your country time. When your Sydney time session will open, Tokyo session will open, London session will open and close, New York session will open and close. If we talk about Sydney, then all the pairs with Australian dollar will move perfectly. In Tokyo session, Japanese yen, you can trade Japanese yen. In New York session, you can trade all the majors or crosses with the US dollar. And when London time open, you can also trade gold. Gold major movement is in London session, and Japanese yen and all other in New York session, pound and euro is moving perfectly. You can open trades in New York session, all the pairs with pound and euro. In Sydney session, you can open trade with Australian dollar, and in Tokyo session, you can open trade with Japanese yen. And in London and Tokyo session, gold is trading very perfectly. If you have any question, please comment your question and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in next video. Thank you so much.